Hello, this is Joe. Hey, look what I have here. I have the camper's knot tying kit. Let's tie a knot. The shoestring knot, or slippery square knot. Tied the same as a regular square knot, except a loop is formed in each rope as they are brought above and under. This is a binding knot that may be quickly and easily untied by pulling the ends of the ropes. It is also commonly used to tie shoes. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more knot videos to come. Bye-bye.